And here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this dance starts with the leader and follower already on the dance floor, and we are towards the back half of the floor in the center. Now this means if you have a DJ or a band, you want to make sure they don't start playing the music until you're already hand in hand in your spot ready to go. Now the leader is going to be on the left side holding their follower in their right hand. The follower is going to be on the right side holding their leader in their left hand. Now on the first 2 counts of the song, leader and follower, you're both going to close in towards one another and get into a hug position. So this means follower, your arms are over the leader's shoulders, and leader, your arms are around the follower's back. Now, after this, we're going to start swaying. Leader is going to start with the left foot. Follower is going to start with the right foot. So this starts going 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now from here, we're going to continue swaying, but we're going to put our heads together, going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I love this very beginning part of the song. It is very intimate, so you guys can on your own sort of play around with changing things up if you want. So Nick and I are more similar in height, so it's a lot easier to put our foreheads together. But if you and your partner have different heights, and let's say the leader is taller, follower, you can put your head on their chest. That would match the lyrics perfectly. You can even already start when you close in, put your heads together. Definitely play around and see what you like. Now once we finish swaying, we are going to do our inside turn into our dip. And we have a video for this. We're just changing a couple of things with the actual dip. So we're first going to start with the push out. Leader pushes follower back. Make sure your feet stay in place, leader. Follower is going to come in about halfway. And then the leader is going to draw a counterclockwise circle with their left arm over their follower's head. Follower turns to the left or counterclockwise. And then we come back into our hug position to prepare for our dip. We're going to show this push out inside turn from the side so you can see the follower's footwork a little bit more. So leader, you push your follower away. Follower steps back about 2 steps. Follower comes in with about 2 more steps. And then we turn over to the left to come back to face our leader. Now my tips for that turn are: follower, make sure your steps are really small and in place. This isn't meant to travel at all. You want to stay right in front of your leader, just kind of turning around yourself. Now from here, we'll do the dip. This is on the leader's left side, and the footwork is the exact same as the video you already have, so we're going to kind of breeze right through this. So leader slides with their right foot out, holding their weight on their left leg. Follower holds the weight on their right leg, slides the left foot, making this position. Now the only thing different from the video is instead of putting my left arm out, follower, I'm going to continue holding on to my leader, and then we will come back up.